Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Mac OS version and that you have at least 2 gigabytes free. This avoids install failures. Once done, sign into your Apple ID in System Settings so purchases and downloads are allowed. Then open the App Store and use the search field to find Garageband. You're taking these steps now because they unlock the download button and any compatibility notes, and make sure the App Store shows the correct purchase or download option for your machine. You click Get or Install, then authenticate with your Apple ID password or Touch ID. This step authorizes the download. While the app downloads, watch progress in Launchpad or the Applications folder and avoid interrupting the network. After the app installs, open GarageBand once to trigger first run setup. It may prompt to download additional sound libraries, accept those if you want full instruments and loops. Make sure to close other heavy apps to speed installation and conserve RAM during the initial setup. You open GarageBand and pick a project template to test audio immediately. Then go to GarageBand Preferences to verify input and output devices and sample rate so recordings aren't distorted. If GarageBand asks for microphone or MIDI access, grant permissions in System Settings. If something goes wrong, reboot your Mac, confirm your Apple ID is signed in, and try reinstalling from the App Store. For persistent errors, remove GarageBand from Applications and reinstall to clear corrupted files. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.